This is a Robeson Wyoming razor hone by the Robeson Cutlery Company, Rochester, New York. The Wyoming hone is superior to all others for sharpening razors. A trial will convince the most incredulous. This hone is warranted to give a keen and lasting edge. Can be used with oil or lather. And the reason why it's all these things is because it's a cuticle. It's a Belgian cuticle. As you can see. As you can see, this cuticle has a slight pink rash to it, pinkish rash to it. It's not the most pink cuticle in the world, but it has a pinkish rash to it. There's a little bit of, it's like brownish pink, but it's pink. Some manganese. Just having a hard time capturing this before. I wasn't happy with the last video because it didn't really show this aspect of it. Belgian blue has white streaking in it, as you can see. This stone is 6 1/16 of an inch long, 1 3/8 of an inch wide, 21 32 of an inch thick, and the cuticle is 3/16. It's like a heat rash almost. Yep. I haven't seen many of these over the years. Personally, I've only seen 3 branded like this in over a decade, but I don't know how common they are. I don't think they're very common, as far as the branding goes anyway. But it might have been jingoism on the part of Robeson trying to get patriotism to entice people to buy more sharpening stones. I don't know. Anyway, this is the Robeson Wyoming razor hone. Thank you.